Are you ready for a steal of a deal? I've got one today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. As always, we have a sale to talk about today, you guys. This is going to be a steal of a deal. I am so pumped. You can get the entire spring GQ box for half price, and they're throwing in a free member gift as well. So this entire box that I'm going to show you today is only $29. So we are opening up the spring 2025 GQ box. Now this is a quarterly subscription, and if you purchase using my link down below and my coupon code, you're going to get this exact same box for 50% off. So you get half price, plus, like I said, they're throwing in a new member gift as well. So just for signing up, they're already sending you a reward. So inside you will have a little pamphlet that talks about all of the products in your box. And if you look, you guys, several items. I mean, you get all of that for $29. I'm just gonna keep saying it, you guys, 29, 29, 29. Spring is finally here, and with it comes our top picks for what will refresh your routine and elevate your style. This is going to give you sleek, functional gear that will keep you looking sharp to everyday essentials designed for comfort and confidence. Every item was handpicked to upgrade the look. So that's the theme behind all of these products. Oh, this is our first item. So we have our very first product here, and it's actually a card. GQ tends to do this where they do not want to send you the wrong sizes. So what they will do is include a gift card, and you'll go to the website and purchase the size of the item that you are going to receive. And that way it will fit perfectly every time. We have done this several times before. I can confirm to you guys, it's not scammy. They also don't sign you up for a bunch of emails. We literally go in, we get the size we want, add it to cart, apply the gift card, and then it's done. They don't reach out to me again. I don't have emails. It's not like you're signing up for a subscription or anything else. So this, don't throw it away. This is your first product in the box. You will receive one complimentary pair of Vibe Extra Boxer Briefs. So that is what the first item is. And it mentions that these are life-changing briefs, which, you know, I probably should refer to a man to determine if that's actually true or not. But there is a unique code on the reverse side. It does expire July 31st of this year. So this is the spring box. You obviously have enough time to redeem it, but just don't let it expire. It mentions that these are super soft. They are the best-selling pair they have, and they have a no ride-up leg technology. They also are going to have flat seams, an anti-roll waistband, soft fabric that also is breathable, and then there's also mesh panels as well. So it sounds like they're better, but like I said, I'm not gonna know. I'm not gonna try these on. So, you know, I don't know if they are the best thing out there, but apparently, according to GQ, they are. So if you were to purchase these briefs, they would retail for $34. And it says they're designed for ultimate comfort. They're form-fitting, but it's also a slim fit, so it's very breathable. And that way you can go to their website and then get yourself a free pair. They are going to be a black pair, which is nice. And then additionally, they've also given you a discount code. So if you want to reorder or add more to your cart when you do the gift card, you could at least save some money on those additional pairs. The next item is actually the free gift if you sign up as a new member. So like I said, not only will you get this entire box for 50% off, or, you know, $29, like I mentioned, but you're also going to get this product absolutely free in your first box. So this is a pair of sunglasses from Diff, and I will tell you, their sunglasses are very nice. I own several pairs of Diff glasses. They are unisex glasses, which is nice. So, you know, you might be able to steal this out of there. I mean, if you order this for your husband or your boyfriend or whoever, maybe you could just steal these. So this is what they will look like here. They definitely give me like a Ray-Ban vibe. You know what I mean? Like those classic Ray-Ban looks, but they are polarized. They're very lightweight. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the Men in Black right now. Like, they are really dark, But I do like the fact that they've got this really sleek design that works for men and women. So like I said, you could totally treat yourself and just take the free gift for yourself and then give your husband the box. Now this looks fancy. So look at that. This is our next item that is in the spring box this season. So it slides out from here and you get this sleeve. Look at how pretty that is. What is in here? It comes up right at the top. Oh, it's a pen. Okay. So this is what it looks like for our pen. I mean, it has a nicer pillow than I do. There's like a silk padding all below here. So this is what it looks like. This is different. So it is a fancy pen. I mean, it looks fancy. It just twists open. It's a ballpoint pen. Looks like black ink. Okay, so we've got a really cool pen. There is weight to this. I will say it doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a very heavy pen. I don't really know much about pens, to be honest with you, so I can't really tell you anything else about this, but I can tell you if you want to purchase it, it's $85, which I gotta be honest with you, sounds a little crazy, but thank goodness it's in this box. For $29, by the way. Just in case if I hadn't mentioned that. So this pen, it says that it is a black ballpoint pen, specifically formulated ink that flows flawlessly. It will be a matte black finish. There is a polished chrome accent on here, and then it has a sleek modern design for ergonomic comfort and style. This is balanced from clip to tip. And it says if you need any refills for this, you can go online to their website. They've actually given us a coupon code to buy the refills at a discounted price. I do like that at least, you know, we get coupons if we need to stock up again. So our next product that we have here, I think is a fanny pack, except I don't think they're called that anymore. I have always called these fanny packs, and now they're like, oh, crossbody bags or satchel bags. And literally men and women are wearing these all the time, but I still see fanny packs, you guys. So this is what it looks like here. It definitely gives me more of a manly vibe. I can tell with this texture, with the black, yeah, it is giving me that kind of manly look. So you do have a hidden zipper behind here, and then you've got this adjustable strap, and then it will clip right on and off. This one is from Gaston Luga is the brand name, and it does come with tags. It's called the Splash Hip Pack. I wonder what this does. Oh, it says headphones. You could have a cord come out of here if you wanted to plug this into like your phone or whatever else, and then that cord would come out of this little spot. I get it. I'm kind of surprised though, because like everything is Bluetooth anymore, so we don't usually need like the wires, but okay, that's what it does. So a lot of times what I'll see with these packs, and like I said, even for guys, they're wearing them across like this. And then I've literally seen guys that they just like shove it backwards and then have just this strap like this. And then when they need it, they'll bring it back up. So it is a new thing that people are doing. You're not supposed to wear this around your waist anymore because, you know, that's just not cool. But this will retail for $59 if you wanted to purchase it. It says it's eco-friendly. It's also waterproof. That's why it's so slick. So it is all waterproof. And it says that this is a comfortable bag ready for any adventure. It's great to wear across your chest for a streetwear look or over one shoulder for a laid-back vibe. So I do think that's nice, especially if you do have someone that's really active, maybe they're biking or something, they could have this near them. And even if it's raining, you don't have to worry about it. Speaking of rain, our next item that we have in here is an umbrella. I mean, it does make sense because, you know, it's springtime. Usually we have lots of rain in spring. So this is what our umbrella will look like. It's just going to be a black umbrella. I always get so nervous opening these, you guys. So let's see how big this opens up to. Okay, we're good. So it is just your standard black umbrella. Honestly, there's nothing. I'm looking at it and I don't even see anything that's really special about this. It's not even, there's no pattern or print. It's just black. Well, let me read about it because at first glance, it does not appear to be anything special. I do like this handle because it's actually got little grips on here. Do you see the texture? So I do think the handle's really nice. This is from a brand called Repel, and it is a travel umbrella. It says it's a workhorse of an umbrella. It's windproof, waterproof, and has a lifetime replacement guarantee. They guarantee that this is the only umbrella you will ever need. Automatic open and close buttons. What? Make it easy to use and then stash it in your bag. So, okay, apparently it has an open and close. I mean, I opened, but then I forced it shut. So I've got it open right now. And then, shut up. That's a little scary, but it does. So what it does is it just collapses it down like this. You still have to push it down and lock it in place, but it will actually close the top of the canopy. Okay, now that's kind of cool. Now I really like this. $39.99 is what it retails for, and they actually mentioned that you should buy it at Amazon. So if you guys want to go shopping on Amazon, you could find this umbrella on there as well. But 40 bucks is what that would cost you, which is more than this entire box. Next up, we actually have some tongue cleaners. These are disposable hygienic scrapers from Grin. I mean, I guess we need them. You know, and technically, I think that's where they say stinky breath comes from, is if your tongue is dirty. So, I mean, you know, it's helpful. I've just never seen this in a box before. So, it's designed in the US, and it says that this is recycled plastic. All of them are disposable. You can just scrape the tongue and then toss them away. They're hygienic because they remove bacteria from your tongue, which removes bad breath. They are safe fold back pick. We want to protect you as much as we do the planet. What? I don't understand what that means. I don't know what that safe fold back pick. Well, okay. So yeah, this is basically your tongue scrapers, and you get a full bag here of 32 of them, and then you just use that and scrape your tongue and you get rid of bad breath. $3.49 is what this one costs. So not very expensive, but they do state you can go to Walmart, Target, and Amazon and find these there. Last item then today inside of our box is coming from Curology, and this is an acne body wash. So this body wash will feature salicylic acid inside of it, and then it also has tea tree oil in there. So it will help to not only cleanse, but it's also going to help to fight off any acne as well. This is perfect. Full-size bottle. The expiration date is April of 2026, so you have 1 year to use this product. And it is cruelty-free as well, so even better. If you were going to purchase this, it does retail for $8. They said for best results, you want to rub this onto your skin and let it sit for 60 seconds and then rinse it off later, which is actually something my dermatologist told me a long time ago, that you do better if you can let these products sit. A lot of times what happens is we just rub it on and cleanse and then we wash it off, and it doesn't have enough time to actually attack the acne and get rid of it. So definitely leave this on for a little while for best results. But it does mention that this is a wash that's tough on breakouts, but you can also use it as just your traditional cleanser as well. So that is everything inside of the Spring GQ box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think of this one? Again, if you would like to have this exact box with everything that I showed you today, you can find it down below at the link. And then I've got the discount code, which makes it 50% off. I mean, this is definitely worth it for $29, you guys. I mean, the first item with having the underwear in there, and it was $30-some for it, already paid for it. So definitely in terms of value, I love that you're getting your money back. The umbrella is very cool with the whole closing option, because you know how it is. It's like when it's raining and you run, you're getting inside, and then you got to get it shut right away, and it's not cooperating and it won't go down. And so I like the convenience of that it's a little less anxiety to just press it and it will close down quickly. So that was really cool, and it does fit the spring theme. So I like it in terms of value. I do think this collection is very different compared to their usual GQ boxes. A lot of times we get a lot more like personal products, a lot more skincare related items. So that is definitely different. Getting, you know, the fanny pack and the umbrella, getting all the useful tools. It's not that skincare is not useful, but you know what I mean? Like they're physical products you can reuse and use again. That's unusual for them. But in a way, it makes it better because it's not a one and done product. You can keep reusing them. And that umbrella said it had a lifetime guarantee, so you could always replace it too. I'm just turning into an umbrella salesman over here, but I just really like it. So if you guys want this box, I've got the link down below. I've also got you covered with that discount code. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!